Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change a laptop keyboard, specifically an HP ProBook 640G2. If your keyboard keys are sticking or some other related issues, sometimes changing the keyboard will fix the problem. In my case, some moisture issues happen that cause sticking keys. So let's proceed to the video. First things first, we'll remove the screws that are holding the back panel. Now let's remove the bottom cover and start removing the battery pack mounting screws. Then, loosen the two captive screws that secure the keyboard to the base enclosure. Place the notebook on its side and open the display panel so it can stand on its side. Since I don't have the keyboard release tool, I'll just use a Phillips head screwdriver to slightly push the keyboard out to partially release it from the top cover, but it is safer to use plastic material. Now, turn the notebook right side up. Now, we have to slowly lift the keyboard up with careful attention to the ribbon cables at the bottom of the keyboard. Now we have access to the point stick, keyboard, and backlight ribbon cables, and ZIF connectors. Gently lift the locking bar up to release the ribbon cable of the backlight, the point stick, and the keyboard. Now, all the ribbon cables detached from the system board. Old keyboard is already out, so let's replace it with the new one. Now, replacement of the new keyboard is just the reversal of the removal process. Insert the keyboard ribbon cable to the ZIF connector and press the locking bar down to lock the ribbon cable into place. Then just do the same with the point stick ribbon cable and the backlight ribbon cable. Just insert and press the locking bar down. That's all. Now all the cables are locked into place perfectly. Now insert the tab in the front of the keyboard into the slots on the top of the cover. Lay flat the keyboard and press along the edges of the keyboard to secure it to the top cover. Now we are done here, so let's turn this upside down. Tighten the two captive Phillips screws first to secure the keyboard to the base enclosure. Now let's replace the battery pack and tighten the screws. Now place back the back panel and let's tighten the screws just finger tight. So this is the end of the video. I hope this video can help someone out there. Do it yourself and learn something, guys. So if you like my video, please hit the like button, share, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.